Alright, so this tutorial is going to be how to install or update your VMware Tools and VMware Workstation on Kali Linux 2.0. So for some of you, when you go to view, the Fit Guest Now is going to be grayed out, and your Kali Linux screen for the desktop is going to be a lot smaller. You won't be able to go full screen. So what we have to do is install the VMware Tools. So we can start by clicking VM, and right here where it says Update VMware Tools, it may say Install VMware Tools for you. So either way, we can update them or install them. It's the same way. So we'll go ahead and we'll click that, and it's going to mount the VMware Tools to Kali. Now down here, we can click Open with Files, and we can right-click the file here and say Extract to, and select the desktop, and then that would be the easiest way to extract the file. But I'm also going to show you how to do it through the command line, since we have to use that anyways to run the program. So we'll open up a terminal. Make sure you're root. You can also do that with Who Am I, and it will tell you who you are. The VMware Tools, they are mounted in /media, and then in CD-ROM right here. So you can CD and CD-ROM. And then this is the file that we want to extract. So we can do that with the command tar tac x for extract, V for verbose, so it's going to let us know what's going on the screen. Z is it's going to decompress the contents of any archive compressed by gzip, which is the .jz instead of just a tar file. And then F, which is to specify the archive file, so the VMware Tools 10.0.6, yada yada. And then we're going to put in the name of the file, so VM, and then we can hit the tab key, which will auto-complete it, and we won't have to type it all in. We can use tac uppercase C to specify if we want to say put it on the desktop. We can change the directory. So we'll do that, and we'll go ahead and we'll hit enter. So then this is the verbose. It's letting us know exactly what's going on. We'll let this finish up, and then we will go to the directory, or sorry, the desktop. And you can see here we now have VMware Tools folder. We'll go into that, and we want to VMware install. That's the program we're going to run. So we can do /VMware install.pl, and if we use the tac D option, that's going to say yes for all the defaults. So instead of it prompting us and saying yes, go ahead, yes, yes, yes to all the questions, it's just going to say yes for us. So we can go ahead and hit enter. And then we'll let this run and install. Alright, so now that's done. It says the VMware Tools, the CD-ROM mount has been ejected, so it has unmounted itself by itself. For it to take effect, we're going to want to reboot the system. So we can just type in reboot. Give it a second, it will power down and turn back on. Alright, we'll type in our username and password. Let it boot up. And then now you'll notice when you click View on VMware Workstation, you'll be able to fit to guest, when you go full screen, that everything will adjust to the proper size. And then you can also see here under VM it says reinstall VMware Tools. So we no longer have to install them or update them. They're up to date, they're installed, and everything's ready to go.